Hello everyone, got my mask, I got my little carry-on suitcase, and I got the Tattoo You box set, the 4 CD box set, 40th anniversary with the lenticular cover, and I will now open it right in front of everyone. As you can see, the cellophane is still on it. So I've got my fancy schmancy letter opener. Look out. I'll open this side here. Make sure I don't puncture anything. Looks like that'll do the trick. And it did not work. Okay, let me try that again. There you go. You can see there's the little hype sticker here, the little promo sticker, if you will. And whenever you're buying any collectible, do not throw out the hype sticker because it gives the collectible a little more value if you're trying to sell it with the hype sticker. So let me just take this out carefully. All right. And there you have it. Beautiful cover there. Nice. Lenticular. I'll put it on the side like this. And I'll pull out what seems to be the album, vinyl album, but it's actually, just open this like this. Oh, look at that. What do we have there? Well, we have, let me start on top here. Let me see if I can do this as simple as I can here. We take Keith Richards here, and we see that this is actually the Lost and Found Rarity CD. There you have a list of the songs. I don't know if you can see that, the glare. Not so great there, but put that back there. We'll take this one here. It has Mick Jagger on it, in tattoos, of course. And this is actually the actual album, which I'm assuming has been remastered. Okay. So if we go to the bottom here, we see that we have another CD here. I don't know how clear that is. It says the Rolling Stones, Wembley Stadium 1982, okay. Part 1, which I would assume is the Still Life album, which is a live album which came out in 1982. Now this particular box set has that album plus additional live songs. This is the 4th CD. So this is entitled Part 2 of the Still Life album. Live music, of course, from Wembley Stadium 1982. We have here is a bit of some writing here, some credits and whatnot of the Wembley show. The Lost and Found Rarities and the actual Tattoo You album. And of course, you have Keith Richards in the back, Jagger in the front, and there seems to be another album here. Oh, okay, so this is what I wanted to see here. This is the picture album. It's upside down. We'll just turn it this way. It's the Tattoo You album, side 1, side 2, picture album, vinyl, so you can actually play it on your turntable. That's cool. There you go, Jagger. That's cool to have. So you have the album on CD and vinyl. Interesting box set. The actual cardboard here seems a little cheap, but nevertheless, I mean, I guess as long as the music is good, then that's fine. And last but not least, you got the actual book that is provided. And this is in cellophane as well, so get the letter opener again. And open it up here. There you go. Let's see here. Pull this out. Very interesting. Nice hardcover book. Back, there's nothing here in the back, but let me open it up and see what you got here. And basically, it's photos and writings of their live shows and the recording of Tattoo You. Just flip the pages a little here to show you some of the photos. And that's it, I guess. So that's the book that's provided in the box set. And that is it, folks. Nothing left in there. Okay. Now I'm going to go off and listen to the music. That's it. Thank you.